using the Photos app, color grade and color correct your photos and videos to your liking. Now open up iMovie and select the clips you want to add. Crop out all the unnecessary bits and add a title. There's quite a few options to choose from, but just choose what fits best. I also recommend messing around with the speed on some of the clips as well. Now you can have transitions if you like, but I'm probably not going to use any transitions for this because I kind of just want it to be nice and simple. And you can also pick a theme as well, add fade-ins. So this first part that we're doing at the moment is just arranging your clips, cropping them and moving them around. And then we're going to add some audio and do some audio syncing. Now we're going to make it better by adding some music. Press the plus in the top right corner, then press audio, then press soundtracks. These are the built-in ones, but for this demonstration I'm going to use my own, and I'm going to show you how you can use your own as well. Go onto YouTube and find some non-copyright music and just screen record it. Once you've screen recorded, press the link in the description to take you to this website where you can import your screen recording and turn it into an MP3 file. The converting process I have sped up because it takes quite a while. Once it's completed, you can press download and then press download again and it will download. In iMovie, now tap files, tap downloads and import what you just downloaded. I recommend adding a fade at the start and at the end as well. Now you see at the moment, I'm just adjusting the clips to try get it to sync with the audio, and I even add a couple photos later on. Now I'm just going to rename this to, let's just say, Trip. Now press the share button down the middle and press save video.